Word study. Learn words with the suffixes ance and ant. Many nouns, many names, many things, many objects. The word that they have, the noun that they have, end in ance can become adjectives if you change the ending to ant. Let's see an example. Neptune is a long distance from the sun. In this case, we're talking about a distance. We're talking about kilometers, miles, meters from one area to another, from Neptune to the sun. So this is a noun. We're talking about distance. And then we have the other example where we are changing the ending, the suffix ance. I'm going to highlight it so we can see it. The suffix ance. And we're changing it. Let's look at the new sentence. Neptune is a distant planet from the sun. Now, in this case, we change the word distance for the word distant. The ending changed, and when we change the ending to ant, distant, we transform it to an adjective. An adjective is a word that is describing the noun or describing the thing, the animal, or the person we have. So for example, we're talking about the planet in this case. And what are we saying about the planet? That it's big, that it's blue, that it's red, that it's small? No, we're saying that it's a distant planet. So when we change a word, a noun, and it has the ending ance, and we modify it, adding ant, this word is now an adjective. And obviously, as an adjective, it has to have a noun. I'm going to put the noun in green, sorry. So you can identify that now we have a noun that is being modified. Okay? So let's read the instructions, because for this page, I don't have the digital book, but I'm going to read the instructions and read the words. So it says, listen and read the words. Look them up in the dictionary. That's why I added the pages of the dictionary of the book with these pages of the study guide of this week. You are going to, I'm going to mark this, circle ants. I insist we're going to circle ants, or if it's different, you're going to circle ant in each word. Which words? The words that are in this yellow box. Then you're going to listen to the sentences. Write ants or ant. Word you hear in the correct space. Notice they are giving us, after you obviously already circled the ending that we have, that is ants or ant, you're going to write the words here, right? Depending if it's a noun or depending if it's an adjective. So I'm going to remark this again. If it's a noun, you're going to have it in this area, right? Noun. But if it's an adjective, then we're going to write it in this area. Okay, so I'm going to play the recording so you can hear the recording now.
Fragrance, arrogance, ignorance, fragrant, arrogant, ignorant. 1.
Don't forget to listen to these words again and pronounce them. The first time, it's okay if you only listen, but it's good that the second time you listen and repeat them and you pay attention to your pronunciation, right? Fragrance, arrogance, ignorance, fragrant, arrogant, ignorant. So don't forget to mark your pronunciation in the second time you listen. Now we're going to hear the sentences, so you can write ance or ant word in the correct space if it's number 1, number 2, number 3. Okay, so let's pay attention to the recording.
1. This flower has a nice fragrance. 2. We should try to have knowledge, not ignorance. 3. Arrogance is not a good thing to have. 4. The ignorant man never went to school. 5. No one liked the arrogant boy. 6. She always buys very fragrant soap.
I hope this video helps you to understand better the word study, and you can do the exercise for this activity.